Is it my birthday present? No, it's not, silly. I'm saying no work for Daddy until we finish building this car. He gets no work with any toys because it's the best car in the world.
Finally, after spending the whole morning going to Secaucus, New Jersey, the Sky's truck is home. I had to set it up.
Is it my birthday present? No, it's not, silly. It's not even July yet. No, it can be my birthday present. It can be my birthday present. You know that? It actually can be my birthday present. No, my birthday's coming up soon. You're wrong, silly. Stop saying it's my present, my present. No, I think it's my present. It's not my present. I'm wrong.
What is it, Sky?
It's my own car.
Really? I think it's not a car, it's a Jeep.
A Jeep? Is it a real Jeep because it has real wheels?
Yeah.
So it's a real Jeep, but it's a toy that I could ride on.
Uh-huh.
This is the awesome present. Now with the feel, whoa, wait. It's okay. Like a real Jeep! It's awesome! Hey, the Jeep is like a real car! Look, it has a key to it! Look, this is the key! I'll show you. This! Cool, wonder why there's two keys, Daddy?
Uh-huh.
Why is there two keys?
All cars has two keys.
Oh, that's the back wheel! I'm saying no work for Daddy until we finish building this car. He gets no work with any toys because it's the best car in the world. The best thing? Hammer. This is the best thing? Stop saying that.
Come here.
I have something in my lap, and this is called a Jeep. It's best thing in my lap. Stop saying that. That's a funny song, silly. My name is Aiden. Look at Sky's car. It's very nice. Yeah. It has two labs. You see it, guys? That's my daddy fixing it. Can't wait to start the car
Why?
because the answers are the car. If we don't test drive, then how are we gonna know it's fixed?
Mm-hmm. Are you excited about your new Jeep?
Yes. I can ride it in the summer
Yeah.
because it's still spring.
Mm-hmm.
Summer's gonna start in June.
Mm.
So let's test drive it. Can I have the keys, please?
Okay, we have to wait till everything is fixed.
button. This is drive. These are how to power the car. Okay? And this is the speed. The speed meter, look, it goes all the way up to 8. Cool, right? Up to 80. Now it goes, this one on, this is the engine. I could turn it off by putting the engine there in the middle, and this one putting it on that side. Turn it on by putting it. And turn this on by putting it there. Cool, right? This is the horn. This is the horn. It go beep beep. Cool, right? And this is the battery. This is where the keys. This car is awesome, guys.